Welcome! Today I will be showing you guys the pocket saw from Deal Extreme. A link to the product as well as a link to purchase will be in the description below. This is actually my second pocket chainsaw. My first one was by Sabercut, or it was the Sabercut saw by, I don't remember who it was. I think UTC maybe? Or, yeah. But how you put this on, you're going to want to put your hands through the loops. Don't wear a watch while doing this. I don't want to bother taking mine off. Put your hand through the other side. Well, put it around your log first. Then put your hand through this side. Yeah. I do like this saw better than the Sabercut saw. The teeth just seem to cut or bite a little bit better. Let's try this out. You're just going to want to do even strokes. Make sure you go all the way down. You can go slow as long as you're doing full strokes. Just don't wear yourself out. You want to be as efficient as possible with one of these saws. Much better than wire saws also. Let's see how far that's gotten already. You can see that. If I wanted to, I could probably break it right now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to try to saw through it as much as possible. When it does get near a thinner point, it does start binding up, the saw does. I've had more problem with the Sabercut saw than with this one, but we'll see how it works out this time. I have to position my leg so it doesn't move. The log doesn't, but I don't want to break it at the same time. Yeah, when it gets this thin, so I'm not really wanting to grab much material and it's just wanting to bind up. To do that, or to unbind it, what I tend to do, once it's bound, you just take it and pull it down and out. Let's just break this. And I'll show you how much we cut. See? Then you could cut another side and baton it, make some fire sticks or whatever. And there you go. There is the pocket saw. See you guys later. Have a great day.